Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an engine like this in the sandbox. So let's start. First we need a structure like this. To do that, put two metal rods and align and follow the brake. Then put another one, then parent all, not these ones. Next you need to put a brake, then use the blue rope to connect it into here, and use this rope and use the metal movable rope to connect it to the wheel. Next, you need to put the metal rod here. Then you need to make the exact same size as the hole. And also connect it with a blue rope here again. Then use this rope and connect it to the wheel. This should look perfect. Then you need to go to the edit parameters or the mod editor, or you cannot go to parameters, edit parameters from the machine gun. Go to the mod editor, then disable wiggle, just like I followed a tutorial where I raged out because it didn't work. Then you need to disable collision set and squish it. Copy it, then invert it to this one. Then connect these things with the strong rope. Connect it like this. Now perfect. If there was a bug, then I will help you. Then toggle this. Or maybe this one was disable collisions. Then disable collision, the inverted upside down machine gun. Then you have enable collisions to this machine gun. Pause your game, then make it like this. machine. You need to come here. You need to place this thing here. And you're done with these. Now, first copy. Then copy it 3 times. Alignment. Now you have a working V8 engine, melon sandbox. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video helped you, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.